Disabling biometric login on Kajabi is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your biometric login feature is turned off. Step 1. Open Kajabi app. Launch the Kajabi app on your device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access the settings. Step 2. Access account settings. Navigate to the account settings by tapping on your profile icon or the settings gear icon, usually located in the top corner of the app. Step 3. Find security settings. Scroll through the settings menu until you find the security or login options. This section contains settings related to your login methods. Step 4. Disable biometric login. Look for the option labeled biometric login or use fingerprint/face ID. Toggle this option off to disable biometric login. Step 5. Confirm changes. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Now you have successfully disabled biometric login on Kajabi. If you need further assistance, consult the help section within the app or reach out to customer support.